3, go. Yay! I have a few more. Your race. Oh, this is backwards. This is our car. This is our car. There's grass.
It's a lot of cars.
Yeah, it's hard to race them.
But you're a good racer.
Yeah, it's hard.
Is it hard?
Yes. Actually, I can play something else. I can play something else.
You done with it? Because it's so hard.
Yeah.
Ollie, you want to do it?
Yeah. After the race, this truck can race. Dad, this truck is super fast.
Is it?
Yeah.